name and your number. Go grab some lunch and eat some cucumber. Why you say that? I don't know why, but you're smiling at something I like on your face. Yeah, it suits you. Boy, we connect like we have a Bluetooth. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the other one? So let it go too. This is all based on lucky chance that we were brother and subtract. You and I could be like sunny chairs, honey bears. You and I could be like Aladdin and Jasmine. Let's make